For many, it's a permanent black mark, records of arrests and convictions, red flags that come up on just about any background check. One state senator wants to give a lot of those people a do-over. Here's News 13's Alex Goldsmith.
Tim, it's a bill that would wipe the slate clean for a lot of New Mexicans and for victims of identity theft, too. But critics say it's a dangerous bill.
Mark Medley has had to deal with the past these documents outline for a decade. In 2001, his wallet was stolen. The man who stole it then stole a car. When that man was arrested, he gave police Medley's name and date of birth, which went on the police report. That case of mistaken identity has linked Medley to another man's crimes ever since.
The judge looked at me and he said, "Mr. Medley, I'm really sorry that this has happened, but there's absolutely nothing I can do."
Right now, there's no law in New Mexico that allows those records to be wiped from identity theft victims' background checks. It's almost equally difficult to erase the arrest records of those found not guilty or whose cases were dismissed. A new bill pre-filed by Senator Michael Sanchez is trying to change that. But the Belen Democrats' bill would do something else, too. It also allows misdemeanors besides DWIs and crimes involving children to be wiped off of someone's record after 5 years, as long as that person stays out of trouble. The same would apply to domestic violence charges after 10 years.
It gives an improper, artificial statement about that person's background.
District Attorney Lemuel Martinez strongly opposes the bill and says that's information that needs to be out there.
We need to know about thieves, we need to know about violent people who have that in their past, and it shouldn't be taken away from us. They have the ability to change, but we need that information to make rational decisions on whether or not to hire that person or what kind of relationship we want with that person.
Senator Sanchez told me over the phone this bill is about giving people a second chance, emphasizing that any expungement of records would have to be approved by a judge. Back to you, Tim.
Okay, Alex, this is not the first time Senator Sanchez has tried to get this bill passed. A piece of almost identical legislation cleared both houses in 2009, but was vetoed by then-Governor Bill Richardson.